Okay guys, I just want to show you another keyboard I have. I don't know a particular model for this IBM, but I bought it from eBay. I think they have like a Japanese and Chinese model. Linear kind of feel when you type on it. And this is pretty much like out new in the box. And what I have here is the adapter by HASU, made by HASU in Geekhack. So I'm just going to test it out and see how it works. Oh, microwave. Okay. Yep. Just gonna plug it in. And there's a little button here. I think it's an on and off button. I don't know exactly what it does. But when I type on it, okay, hold on. Yeah, it works. But I just went kind of weird beep beep noise. I don't know how to turn it off. Very cool. I really liked how the keycap actually forms as well. It's actually sort of leaned backward this way. And yeah, once again, just the adapter from HASU. Highly recommend you guys should get one of these.